Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TROV. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very crazy movement today, not only from the price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume and well above average volume on the day. So a lot of eyeballs on this one. So let's map out some areas of support and resistance going forward. The first level of support has nothing fancy behind it at all, other than the fact that the bleeding finally stopped today right down there at $3.63. On a couple different occasions, actually, you can see that price got down around it right there. Bulls did a good job of holding. Once again, price got down around there, and once more, the bulls did a good job of holding. So basically 365-ish, 363, whatever you want to call it. That general area is where the current near-term level of support is at. In the event that level cannot quite hold up, then the next level that you would immediately want to turn your attention to is that purple line right there, the 50-period simple moving average. Right now valued at $3.46, but keyword being moving. So as Wednesday and the remainder of the week play out, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So therefore, that value is going to also move and change. So yes, right now it's 346, but again, if that 360-ish area does not quite hold up, then you will need to be a little bit more proactive and take an inventory check of what that current value is. But in the event this bounce that it's been occurring right here, if that continues, let's talk about the next couple areas of resistance. Initial area of resistance going into Wednesday going to be right there at, let's see what it said, about $3.87. If 387 can be broken, then the next key level to keep an eye on would be right up there at about 405. So 387 and 405, the next couple areas of resistance, but definitely an interesting setup. Things were looking pretty bad, but then the afternoon occurred and you got this little miniature bounce right here. So it'll be very interesting to see if this is the beginning of some sort of bigger bounce to the upside, or if this thing is just going to roll back over and then plummet down through 360. Only time will tell, but this chart definitely went from looking pretty shaky to now looking pretty interesting from the bullish side of things. So we'll see how the price continues to play out. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.